Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my another videos, and today I'm going to show you something special from CSGO. It is the butterfly knife. Wow. It's come with case. Yeah, this is I just want to tell you, this is not the expensive one. This is just the cheap one, around $12 or $13, and it comes with plastic inside. Yeah, this is the case. This is where you put the belt inside your wrist. And wow, oh shit man, oh that looks great. See the blade, it's shiny. Oh, the handle is great. Wow. I think this is the butterfly knife is the best toy for adult, or actually sometimes you use sometimes you use the fidget spinner to release stress, but I think if you are gamers, you can use a butterfly knife to release your stress. And oh, it's really good, man. Oh shit. Oh, yeah, that's cool. And I think some knife is cost you around 30 or 40, but I'm telling you what, we just buying this to play, so we should not spend our money a lot. This is around $12. I think it's also expensive, but if you compare with the $30, it's much more expensive. And about it, about this quality, we can say that it's pretty good. Yeah, the blade, yeah, the grip, yes, the lock, yeah, it's pretty cool. And this is my first butterfly knife ever. I really love it. And as you can see in the CSGO, we have this butterfly knife, and that means you are in a real world of butterfly of CSGO. You can yeah, that's great for me. And it fit inside the bag perfectly. Sometimes you just go on to somewhere with your friends, just put this one in your attach this one with your belt, and you just use. Oh, this is my butterfly knife. Okay man, yes, this is good. And I'll be showing you guys some trick, and that's all for this video, I guess, because nothing else to review. Yeah, the how can we say this, the hinge, not hinge, but this I know, comment down below if you know what it is. It's good, it's not stocking. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe my videos. Comment down below what you guys want to know. And I would recommend you to buy this one. I will put a link down below, and if you have anything to ask me about the quality, I can recommend it you. I can give you some ideas, and this is great for me, I think. And wow, it's look really cool. Yeah, perfect. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next videos.